Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have y multiplied by a and y squared in here. Next, we have the formula. The integration of y to the power of n dy. We have y to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one and this one, and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.